So here's the thing about gratitude. A lot of the times we start off with, if there's nothing you can think of to be grateful for, at least be grateful for the air that you breathe, for nature, for a new day, for your body, for health, for all of those kind of things. It's wonderful. It is absolutely necessary to acknowledge these things. But here's what I'm going to say. The thing about gratitude is if you're grateful for the at least things, that is the entry level. That is the start, and that can keep you in a lower vibration. A higher the vibration than if you don't acknowledge it at all and you have nothing else. But here's the thing. Gratitude actually opens you up to the richness and the fullness and the best. It's not about being humble and, well, at least that's what I can be grateful for. No, prosperity and receptivity requires you to totally open up to the best. That's the fullness of the real higher frequency. When you operate from a frequency of deservability, of generosity, and of reciprocity in giving that back. It's like when you take a full breath, you can open up here, you can open up your throat, you can get more air in, but unless you open the fullness of your body to everything, knowing that you receive it, that you deserve it, you are sitting in mega gratitude. You're sitting in a frequency where it's not the best. Notice how you open up. Notice if you open up or if you don't. That's what it's about. It's about really expanding and expecting, not from a conscious perspective of demanding or a limited kind of expectations, from a yes, from a yes from you. That is what gratitude means in its fullness and its richness and its full potential. So much love to you, and go out there and open up to the fullness of what life can give you, whatever it is for you. So much love. Bye for now.